Welcome to 19 Del Francesco Way, a well-maintained 3-bedroom detached home enjoying a great location within Vaughan's high-demand Maple community. Featuring a brick exterior, a single-car garage, and a covered main entrance, this home has an open-themed main-level design, spacious upper-level bedrooms, and an unspoiled lower level with high ceilings. The ceramic-tiled entry hall opens into a reception area with a mirrored door double coat closet, access to the garage and the lower level, as well as a powder room with ceramic flooring and a pedestal sink. New laminate flooring flows from the reception area into the incredibly spacious living room, which features a gas fireplace surrounded with stone tiles and an elegant white mantle, as well as a large window with a light-diffusing silhouette blind that also brings privacy to this space. The kitchen and its breakfast area showcase a crisp and clean modern design with a south-facing exposure allowing for an abundance of natural lighting, while ceiling panel lighting and a new contemporary LED light fixture bring additional brightness to these spaces. Leveler blinds on the sliding door walkout and an updated trimble awning window in the kitchen provide light control as well as privacy. And the walkout opens onto a deck that is ideal for year-round barbecuing, and which steps down to a fully fenced backyard with a ravine lot and pond behind it, while a seasonally lush tree line brings privacy to the yard. Showcasing a tone-on-tone color palette, the kitchen has exceptional cabinetry storage and plenty of counter workspace, a ceramic-tiled floor and backsplash, a stainless steel double sink, and white appliances, including a built-in dishwasher, a self-cleaning oven, a new microwave, and a newer fridge with bottom-mount freezer. Although unfinished, the lower level does offer amazing potential for future living and entertaining space, was recently waterproofed, and also has a cantina as well as a laundry area with a newer king-size front-load washer and dryer. While other important updates to the home include a heat recovery ventilator and garage door, as well as a new roof. Carrying to the upper level is a beautiful oak staircase, and this level features cozy broadloom throughout, as well as updated trim bow windows in the bedrooms and in the hallway. The bedroom off the staircase landing is quite generous in its size, enjoys the soft, natural lighting of a north-facing exposure, and can accommodate a sitting area. And the third bedroom, which is an ideal guest room, is cozy yet spacious. The common area of this level is complete with a linen closet off the staircase landing, as well as a 4-piece washroom with a ceramic-tiled floor and bath area. In addition, all 3 toilets in this home were replaced with those with elongated seats and a more comfortable seating height, and both the powder room and common-use washroom are dual flush. The master bedroom is set well away from the other bedrooms for privacy and enjoys the natural brightness of a south-facing exposure, as well as views of the neighborhood's ravine setting beyond the backyard. Featuring an oversized double closet off its entry hall, this bedroom is complete with a 4-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes. Backing onto the neighborhood pond and the tranquility of its natural surroundings, this home is walking distance to a public and a Catholic elementary school, public transit, Mast Road Park, and Vaughan's new state-of-the-art hospital currently under construction. While it's just a short walk to Canada's Wonderland, both a local shopping plaza for everyday convenience, as well as Vaughan Mills Shopping Mall, the Maple GO Station, the airport, and for access to highways 400, 407, and the 427.